it's something you can fit in for a change.
I'm not sure about.
That's a different place for another.
Line,
I bet when that's open, it's in the way there as well.
Sink's ideal.
You have to flick with catch. Oh, we had one of those like that in our first camper van. You could basically warm up the croissants in it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. It's not what I meant, you see.
It's quite nice colouring. I quite like the colouring. It's not the worst van I've looked in yet.
You've got
Ladder again to get into bed. Can you do it from the steps? Or are they too high at the top? You could just about jump on top.
But I'd be worried about getting out at night.
75.
Because there's not. No, I've only got small feet.
Oh, bathroom's nice, eh?
Yes.
Very black and white, but very looks big.
Yeah.
Looks big.
It's a small size fan.
Yeah, smaller size, and the price tag is very different on this.
But again,
I think the price tag was 70 something odd. It was quite sensible.
Oh.
That's quite cool.
That's quite.
Can you reach in it though? Just.
Yeah,
Just.
can't do the top shelf.
Not good for short people.
No. No motorhomes good for short people.
Oh, nice drawer. That's a plug for the sink.
It is.
More drawers. Soft close on these? Just.
Close, yeah.
Pretty standard lounge, twin turn rounds, little chair. Looks quite nice though.
It's not bad.
We'll try out the upholstery next.
Just the bed areas, the steps coming out the bed.
And the different level floors are a bit weird.
Yeah. Quite comfy.
Quite comfy. It's not bad. And like I said, the price point in is pretty cheap. Compared to everything else we looked at, this is reasonable.
It's not automatic.
I'm sure that's an optional extra.
Bikes in.
Reasonable size garage.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Price for price, it's not bad.
No, it's one of the better ones we've seen.